At Interpack, the center point of the packaging industry, where we show our life sciences customers how to tackle the complexities of their packaging operation. Our GMP-compliant, pre-validated manufacturing execution system platform is a perfect fit for our life sciences customers.
So here at Interpack, we're seeing that pharmaceutical manufacturers are walking away from monolithic legacy MES as they can no longer afford long implementation times and inability to adapt. What they are looking for is composable pharma-native MES that provides quick value and allows modular applications that are GMP native. This is very important because that's exactly how Vimachem approaches the MES market. Our applications for electronic batch records, electronic logbooks, and Weigh and Dispense are building blocks that can be deployed as standalone or as part of a composable GMP native platform. Another trend we are seeing is the application of AI and AI agents. AI agents are allowing pharmaceutical manufacturers and packagers to use the value of AI by applying it in GMP applications like reduced release times, reduced review times, and identification of bottlenecks. And that's exactly where also composability is really important, because hand in hand with composable GMP native applications, AI agents can be deployed to allow pharmaceutical manufacturers to gain the value of efficiency, compliance, and ultimately produce high quality medicines that are impacting and saving lives.
At Vimachem, machine connectivity is one of our core strengths. Whether we are integrating brand new equipment or breathing new life into legacy machinery, we drive data orchestration through industrial protocols such as OPC-UA and MQTT, alongside direct integration with leading PLC and automation platforms including Siemens, Allen Bradley, Omron, and many others. Through these connections, we capture critical process parameters, counters, and alarms, and put this data to work directly inside our Pharma MES platform.
Our Level 3 Serialization Site Manager is one of Vimachem's most established software solutions. As a site managing Level 3 system, it handles the data exchange between your production lines and your serialization enterprise systems or regulatory hubs, allowing you to have full operational visibility. Most importantly, we are vendor agnostic, so our platform is designed in a way that it seamlessly integrates with any Level 2 vendor, Level 4, or ERP system, allowing you to have full flexibility to scale, work with the partners that best fit your needs, and avoid annoying vendor lock-ins.
Pharma manufacturing has been built around compliance and quality, and that will never change. But today, pharma companies are under pressure to improve efficiency, productivity, and reduce waste. The challenge is to do this without weakening compliance, and this is where Vimachem can help you. With our OE module, production teams can analyze data and see where they're losing more time on the shop floor. Analyzing data will allow you to focus on the root cause analysis and improve then your future processes.